a very good news for all ACCA students. Now, why is that? That's because ACCA has started to redevelop its complete exam structure. Now, this will ensure that all the students who are appearing in their examinations have a better chance of acquiring more knowledge than giving more exams. The number of exams are reduced, but the introductions that they have made are basically to link you closely with the practical life scenarios. So what are the changes mainly in the examination structure? Now, starting with the foundation level, in the foundation level, basically you had FA1, FA2, MA1 and MA2. Now, what the change is, now it is known as foundation level exams where your FA1 and FA2 are combined, and they mainly focus on the maximum ceiling of the sole proprietorship. And the cost management has been changed by basically the names have changed, where the management accounting and data based decision making has been added. So in foundation level, you have in total 3 examinations. Now, moving towards the knowledge level exams. In the knowledge level exams, we clearly see that F1BT has been eliminated, or we can say it is combined with F4 law. Now, in your knowledge level exams also, you have 3 examinations that are financial accounting, cost management accounting, and business law. Now, if we move towards the next area that is now known as skills level, is renamed at expertise level. In that, we don't see any substantial changes in the exams, but we do see some changes in the structures and the planning of learning through each of the examinations. Mainly what we can see or we have been told as of this date is that audit and assurance has been changed a bit, where OTQs are added in the examination, and we have some sustainability factors added for your learning. With that, performance measurement has been a new touch where some data analytics has been added to it. So mainly what we can see in the examination of skills level, or now known as expertise level, we don't have many changes. So that is the same. Now, if you move on to strategic professional level, there has been a substantial improvement for you. What's that? That's basically that when you are going to strategic professional level, SBR and SBL are the compulsory. You can't skip that. But when you move on to the optional exams, instead of giving 2 optional exams, you have the option to only give 1 now. And the options were originally 4. Now there has been an increase in a data sciences exams that will basically make you having 5 options, out of which you have to only give 1. So this way, ACCA has developed a plan where they are reducing the number of examinations but increasing the practicality of them. So if you want to know some other details and more insights, stay tuned.